Welcome to Westgate Chevrolet. Today we're taking a quick look at some of the interior and exterior features on the 2016 Dodge Grand Caravan. This vehicle is featured in gray metallic paint with alloy rims, a rear privacy tint, backup camera, heated seats, as well as heated seats in the rear, and cruise control. Now onto the interior of the vehicle, we can see our window and mirror controls, chrome door handle, as well as our speaker and storage. We have power seat controls with lumbar support in the vehicle, as well as our lighting settings, gauge cluster, and steering wheel with steering wheel controls for cruise control, and our radio, full leather wrapped steering wheel, heated leather front seats with red stitching and perforated leather, our armrests, storage and cup holders. Then we have our DVD loader with Blu-Ray, as well as our heated seats and steering wheel and dual zone climate controls. Then we have our sunglass holder and 3 garage door openers overhead. Now back onto the exterior, we can see our alloy rims with Dodge badge center caps. We have our paint matched mirror caps and door handles, rear privacy tint. Then around to the back of the vehicle, we have our Grand Caravan and RT badging, as well as our hitch. And then our liftgate, which features plenty of storage room on the inside. Now onto the rear interior, we can see we have our black leather seats with red stitching. These are heated seats. Controls for that are found at the back of, on the door panels, up to either side there with our window switch. And we have this little button here to close back up the door. DVD player and rear climate controls are found overhead. You can see we have our second DVD player back there. And the far rear, we have another 60/40. Thank you for joining me for this video walk around of the 2016 Dodge Grand Caravan. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more daily videos, and we hope to see you in at Westgate Chevrolet sometime very soon.